So, another problem, this one's going to be a little bit easier because they actually give us the first term, right? In the previous one, they didn't give us that first term, they gave us the second term. That one's a little bit more complicated. But again, recursively defined rules. What are they giving us? Sorry, get rid of that, huh? What are they giving us? They're saying if you want to know one of the terms in the sequence, take the term that came before it, add 2, and then divide that by 3. Right? So if we want to know the second term is the first term plus 2 divided by 3. But I know what the first term is. The first term is 1. So I can replace that with the value of 1. So we get a value here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's interesting. The second term is also 1. What would the third term be? The third term is the second term plus 2 divided by 3, which is 1. So what are the first 5 terms going to be? You see where this is headed. We have a 1 for the first term, a 1 for the second term, a 1 for the third term. If we keep getting 1 out of this rule, and we keep plugging 1 in, and 1 comes out, and 1 goes in, and 1 comes out, every term in this sequence is 1 when it's recursively defined like this. Again, emphasizing the idea that this is saying if you want to know the next term, take the term that came before it, add 2, and divide by 3.